How to send voice notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, type in the name of the people you want to send the message to. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, go to the text bar below and tap on the plus icon beside it. Then, select Audio. You can now record an audio message from here. When you're done recording, tap on the stop button. And then, tap on the arrow button to send the message. Following these steps, you can easily send voice notes on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.